Hey everyone, it's Monique from Raw Blend. Today I'm going to be making a really simple recipe. This is my vegan burger sauce. So I actually made this on the weekend for my birthday party and I made it as a potato salad sauce. The flavors, everything was just so delicious and I just thought this would taste so good on a burger. So really this is very versatile and full of just a few quite healthy ingredients, most of which you probably have at home. So I really hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Let's get into it. So today I'm using the Vitamix A3500. So this is a perfect container size for what I'm making here now. If you have an Ascent, you'll just need to probably double this recipe. So I'm gonna start with 1 cup of cashews. So we've got all of our measurements down the side, which is really handy. So I've got 2 tablespoons here of apple cider vinegar. So it's really healthy, nice and good for our guts. I've got 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. So this is gonna sweeten it up a little bit. I've got 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. So this is gonna give it a really nice spice. You could also use plain mustard seeds if you like. I just had this at home, so it's quick and easy. I've got a few sprigs here of fresh dill. So that's gonna be really beautiful. You can put more or less in. It's really one of those recipes that once you get to the end, you have a little taste test. You can add in more if you need. I've got 2 garlic cloves. I'm gonna leave the skin on those because we're gonna be blending this into a sauce. So may as well get the health benefits out of the skin. And then 1/3 of a cup of water. We'll lock our lid into place. Just pop them in until they click, then you know it's in. Now we'll start on speed 1, low speed, and then we'll work our way up to speed 10. So I let that blend for about 30 seconds. So this is the perfect consistency that I'm looking for. It's quite thick, but if you were using this in a potato salad like I was, it's runny enough to be able to stir all of that through. All right, we're gonna give it a taste test in case we need to tweak anything. So 1 for me and 1 for you. So good. That's really nice.
Really good.
What do you reckon, Tommy?
Delicious. Thanks, Monique.
Well then, perfect. I'm gonna serve this out, have it on my dinner tonight. I really hope you try it. I hope you love it. Let me know in the comments if you love it as much as I do. Happy blending.